So Mormons had a tendency to recruit people by offering them help. For example, when we knocked on somebody's door, they would say hello, and then they would say, "Is there anything you need? Is there anywhere we can help?" And in a poor country, that's nothing as delightful as hearing that somebody wants to help you. And even if it's not in a poor country, just in general, people like to hear that somebody wants to help. And so I was one of those people who was offered the help. But one thing I did not know was that accepting the help meant a trade-off for example, for demanding fairness. Because I had accepted the help, I couldn't demand justice. Because I remember Bishop Reese in Holiday, Utah, saying, you're biting the fingers or the hands that are feeding you. And so I asked one of my American friends, what does this mean? And she said, he's referring to the help the church has given you. And I said, so you come out, ask me if I need help, accept your help, and then you punish me, you use that against me? So this is one of the tricks they used to recruit people. It's not genuine help. It's help on condition, except they are not very upfront about this. I will be back.